What's up everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm coming at you with a quick video on how to make blueberry compote. Now this compote is good in ice cream, crepes, oatmeal, and a numerous amount of other things. Now this is going to be a real quick video, so let's jump right into it. Alright, now first thing we're going to do is put the heat on medium. Now I'm going to add the blueberries in. You can use fresh or frozen. I'm going to use frozen today. To me, they are a little sweeter. So I'm going to start off with 2 cups of frozen blueberries. Next up, we're going to add half a cup of sugar. Then we're going to add half a cup of water. Then we're going to give this a mix, make sure it's all mixed up. Now we're going to bring it to a boil. It should take about 10 minutes, but make sure you stir your blueberries every now and then. Alright, now that we brought it to a boil, you want to keep stirring it until the liquid reduces to half and starts to thicken. Alright, now let's check on it. That's not quite ready yet. Should take another 5 to 10 minutes. Alright, now let's check on it. It's almost there. Probably another 5 minutes. Alright, I think we finally there. This is what we're looking for. It already looks gelled, and I haven't even added the cornstarch slurry. But yeah, this is what we're looking for. You see that? Now I'm gonna reduce the heat down to low and let it simmer. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of fresh squeezed lemon juice. And stir that up and make sure it's all mixed in. It's coming together real nice. Compotes are so easy to make, it's just a waiting game, that's all. Just doesn't take many ingredients, doesn't take much work. It's just a waiting game. Okay, now for the cornstarch slurry. It's going to be 2 teaspoons of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of water. You're going to mix it together and pour it in. It's going to thicken it up into a nice blueberry gel. Should get all that in there. Should have been mixing it up while I was pouring it, but I don't have 3 hands. Work this camera at the same time. Alright, just gonna keep stirring it up and watch it thicken. Now we're gonna continue to cook this on low until it thickens up to the consistency we want. Now once you get it to the consistency you want, you're gonna remove it from the heat. And that's it, you're done. You have blueberry compote. Now if this isn't the consistency you want and you want it a little thicker, just leave it on simmer for a couple more minutes. I left mine on here for about 5 minutes. I like to store mine in the refrigerator overnight, just for it to thicken up just a little bit more, but it's good to go right now. Now there we have it, it's the blueberry compote. It's ready for whatever. You can store it in the fridge for up to 5 days, or you can freeze it for up to 2 months. you like this video and any of my other videos, hit that like, smash that subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll be back with another one.